BitDirect is the world's first shared custody Bitcoin management platform for advisors. With BitDirect, you can manage clients and charge Bitcoin management fees, facilitate cold storage of your client's Bitcoin, co-sign transactions for approval, and restore access if a client loses their backup seed and their hardware device. The BitDirect platform uses a secure function that's built into the Bitcoin software. It's called a 2 of 3 multi-signature wallet. Between BitDirect, the advisor, and the client, at least 2 parties must approve a transaction for the Bitcoin to move, making it extremely secure. The transaction approval is conducted via either a ledger, Trezor, or Coldcard hardware device that both the advisor and the client hold. The client can withdraw their Bitcoin at any time, and the advisor will co-sign the transaction for the funds to move. The co-signing procedure for each transaction ensures that if a client's hardware device or backup seed is compromised, the client's funds stay secure. BitDirect and the advisor will co-sign a transaction to collect their fees and restore a new hardware device if the client's backup seed and hardware device is lost. BitDirect builds on the trust that already exists between advisors and their clients, as well as creating a whole new industry of Bitcoin advisors who would like to build their own client base. People who wish to act as an advisor and manage an additional multi-signature key on behalf of their friends and family are also able to do so. There is an annuity referral program for advisors where income can be earned from any new advisors referred. Together, we can migrate no-coiners into Bitcoiners. BitDirect, the shared custodial Bitcoin management platform for advisors.